Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. Markets are very happy, and of course, PR Sundar is also very happy. Very soon, PR Sundar will be getting one more sponsor for Post Market Report. So, more sponsors, more money, so more happy. Nifty opened higher on the back of positive global cues. And even I said in the pre-market report, at least there will be some kind of intraday selling and nothing has happened. The market will always prove that you are wrong. So I always tell, so your wife and market, these two people are here always to prove that you are wrong. And not even a small fall came, market continuously moved higher. And it is a surprise after surprise. The first surprise, and everybody was focusing on HDFC Bank because good results, it may go up, and it was absolutely flat. In fact, it came down by 10-15 rupees. But however, my strategy has given good profit because you may remember I bought 1320 call option and sold 1400 call option. I think 1:4 or 1:5. I think it was 1:5. I made not a big profit, I made about 15,000 rupees profit for 10 lots. For each lot is only about 1,500 rupees profit only. So that was a first surprise. Everybody expected HDFC Bank to perform, but it did not perform at all. But you don't know what has happened. ICICI Bank, Kotak Bank, State Bank and every other bank except HDFC Bank shot up. That nobody expected. And Kotak Bank on almost day-to-day basis is moving up 30-40 rupees. In fact, 2 days before, so I've given a suggestion, one can consider selling 1700 put option, which was trading around 16 rupees. So if anyone has done, so they would have made very good profit. So I also sold it. So I'm also quite happy. But the third surprise was the IT index. I really don't know why TCS has fallen like that. Few days before I've given a call, you can consider selling TCS 3000 put option. In case if it comes below 3000, one can buy. So it's a good value for money. But then, it came below 3000. And many people, they were very unhappy, they see the MTM loss, they get scared, they squared off. But I told you very clearly, you must be ready to take delivery if TCS falls below 3000 by the end of the month. With that attitude, if you have sold 3000 PE, and by this time you should be sitting with a good profit. But of course, in between there would be MTM loss. The same thing. I think I suggested Tata Steel also selling 800 put option in social media, but I think it came below that, I think, or at least it went very close to that. But then after that it has recovered. So TCS, Infosys, Kotak Bank, ICICI Bank, these four stocks contributed the highest number of points on the higher side for Nifty. These are the top four contributors. In the morning, it was only TCS and Infosys, and after that, Kotak Bank, ICICI Bank, and after that, even the Reliance started the bull party. So it was a fantastic run, and after a long time, the 920, 930, 945 short straddle people all made very good profit. But I did not put the stop loss. I am sitting in a loss. So now what to do, because last few weeks markets were very volatile. I did not put stop loss, I got good profit. But today I did not put stop loss, it went one way all the way. So anyway, I will manage that. So that's not a big problem for me. So afternoon, Europe market opened. They opened higher, and not only that, Dow was up nearly 650 points on Friday. Dow future is up another 200 points now. So this is the positive global cues that help the Nifty to move higher. At the end of the day, everybody was expecting at least some kind of a selling, but in the last 1 hour only market shot up another 50 points. So at the end of the day, FII were net buyers for 156 crores, but nobody expect them to buy now. At least if they are not selling, we must be happy. And the domestic institutions have bought for 844 crores. And the total net institutional figure was about 1000 crore. And probably this is one of the rare days where both FIIs and DIIs were net buyers. So that is also one of the reasons why market went higher. And anyway, these FIIs in futures and options, they have a huge short position. They, in fact, this month is the month consistently for maximum number of days, they had short position more than 80% in index futures. I don't think that any other month they had this kind of short positions. So they have to cover the shorts. So whoever sold put options since morning, whichever put option they have sold, they were all sitting in very good profit. So overall, this is a good happy day for most of the people, except for the people like me who did not put the stop loss. So what was surprising, the markets rallied like this without any contribution from HDFC and HDFC Bank. So if those two stocks also start moving, then the 16,500 target will be achieved very easily. But even today, at the closing, the swing high was taken out, but slightly higher. So if there is any gap up tomorrow, then that's it. So all the short sellers have to run for cover. And looking at the open interest, so there was a huge unwinding in 16,100, 200, 16,000 call options. There was a huge addition of open interest at 16,200 put option in weekly options. So earlier the 16,000 was a very, very strong support, but now the way market is moving, it looks like 16,200 will be the good support. So India VIX fell another 2.5%, now trading close to 17, which is a very, very comfortable zone. And of course, if it falls below 15, it's a bull market. But right now we cannot say we are in bull market, but at least, considering all the global negativity, the performance has been really very, very good. So let us see where the US market closes today and where we open tomorrow, and hoping for better tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.